Children, let's have some practice reading sentences with the English alphabet and letter sounds. Let's read. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. C, cat. D is for doll. D, doll. E is for elephant. E, elephant. F is for fish. F, fish. G is for gold. G, gold. H is for ham. H, ham. I is for insect. E, insect. J is for jaguar. J, jaguar. K is for kangaroo. K, kangaroo. L is for lamp. Lamp. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for parrot. P, parrot. Q is for queen. Qu, queen. R is for robin. Robin. S is for sandwich. Sandwich. T is for tent. T, tent. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for walrus. Walrus. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Z is for zoo. Zoo. Great work, children!